Mr. President said, my protagonist is not a weak man. He could not have died. When he lowered the veil, lifeless body of his son in the grave, he did not die. When his deceased wife could not even weep, and her blank eyes kept on gazing in the sky, he could not have died, Mr. President, when he saw his eldest son, his arms slowly driven to death by heroin, poverty, hunger, and sorrow. He could not drive my middle class hero to death. He was not a weak man. Therefore, Mr. President said, he committed suicide. This is not the story of one Sharif Hussain. There are hundreds and thousands of people like him who are faced with similar problems and similar fate. They have no jobs, no work, and no income because the industry is at standstill. Business activity is zero, and economy is on the deathbed. This is the situation of the country which was created 72 years ago. This is the situation of the country which has received $60 billion in aid. Mr. President said, may I ask this House, why is China so advanced and it got freedom even after this? Why is Japan so developed when it has no raw material available in its country? How South Korea, Singapore, and Malaysia replied past us while we remained stranded? The answer is simple. They worked while we wasted our time. They were self-reliant and we were dependent on others. They opened new avenues of trade and we waited for it. And my Lord, the result is obvious that today their economies are touching the sky, and in my beloved homeland, Sharif Hussain and other people are committing suicide. My Lord, let me clarify that in 9 out of 10 cases, the modern term used in economics as aid is the glorified name of loan. Loan with interest, loan with vested interest, loan with strings attached, loan that strangulates, loan that enslaves, and loan can never be repaid. Yes, Mr. President said, deny me but not the facts that today we are offered aid but also told to do more. Today we are offered aid but also told to fight our own people, redeploy our forces, forget Kashmir, open our nuclear facilities, and an unending list of demands just for the sake of few dollars, which will either not come or come late. But whenever they will come, most of them will be taken back as advisory cost, and the remaining will go back as debt retirement. Yes, Mr. President said, I can see where the money was spent. I don't doubt the intentions and claims of people on the helm of affairs. But what about the skeletons of undernourished children in the urban slums? What about people diseased to death because of lack of basic necessities? What about millions of the girls waiting to be married for the want of resources? What about exploitation resulting from the ever-increasing class gap, the cruelty of feudal, the barbarity of police against helpless people, ignorance, intolerance, hatred, and crime? All true, my dictum, that good economics is good politics. That good economics is good politics. Your Honor, we are a nation of 220 million people, having glorious and magnificent past, immense potential and capabilities, hard-working manpower, most important, geostrategic location, and most important, the torchbearers of divine wisdom. Today, we have to restore our lost dignity. We have to breathe the very ground and talk to the world and equal footing. Yes, Mr. President said, The contemporary era is the age of self-reliance. To beg today is to enslave the generations to come. Today, we need trade, not aid. We need partners, not dictators. We need masters. We need friends, not masters. We need honor, not disgrace. We need power, not wait for the seventh fleet. And lastly, we need peace, not confrontation. With this, trust my